Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you guys my all-time favorite sandwich recipe, which is perfect for all age groups. It's grilled cheesy Italian mushroom sandwich. I'm sure that you and your kids are going to love this. Now let's check out the recipe. For ingredients, I'm going to use some finely sliced onions like this, some mushrooms, mixed herb seasoning, mayonnaise, black pepper powder, Britannia cheese slices, Szechuan chutney, Amul cheese cubes, Amul butter kept at room temperature, Domino's seasoning, oregano and chili flakes. Guys, I love to collect these sachets from Domino's. If you are also like me and love collecting these, do mention me in the comment section below. To start with, I am going to chop my mushrooms into very fine pieces. This is how it looks like. You have to make thin slices like chips. I love having mushrooms in sandwiches as they taste awesome. Now in a pan, I will add some butter. To this I will add finely sliced onions. I will toss them slightly on medium flame. Let the onions cook for about a minute. We have to fry them until they become slightly transparent. Now at this stage, I will add our sliced mushrooms to it and give it a quick mix, keeping the flame medium. Now for seasoning, I will add a little bit of salt to it. Please don't add too much because butter, sauces and everything will have little bit of salt in it. Adding some black pepper powder. Also putting some mixed herb seasoning to it. What I am using here is Kea pasta seasoning. Now I am adding my favorite Domino's oregano and chili flakes. Now give everything a quick mix. Friends, at this stage everything, mushrooms and all the spices and seasoning will release so much flavor that you will start craving for it. I'm sure about it. Now I am adding some more oregano and mix it all together. Oregano makes everything just yummy and all the credit goes to you. And let them cook for about 2 minutes. As they are cooking, side by side we will prepare our sauce. No friends, don't freak out. I am not making any sauce. I do everything instant. Just mix 1 spoon of Szechuan sauce to 4 spoons of tomato ketchup to reduce the spiciness. Szechuan sauce is a mix of garlic, herbs and spices and tastes wonderful. Just mix it up and your sauce is ready. Now let's check the mushrooms and onions filling. It is looking so tempting. Friends, mushrooms when cooked, they releases water and as you can see there is some water in it. We need to cook it until all the water gets evaporated and there is no moisture in it. Otherwise our sandwiches will become soft and soggy and will not be crunchier from outside. So let them cook for about a minute. Now there is no water in it. Only little bit of butter is left. Now we will turn off the stove and allow it to cool. Our tasty filling is ready. Now let's quickly assemble it. To start with, I will be taking 4 slices of bread. I have taken white bread here. You can also opt for multigrain or brown bread as a healthier choice. I am applying a generous amount of mayonnaise to them. You can use any other dressing of your choice like hung curd or hummus. On the other side of the bread, I will be applying our sauce, which is a mix of Szechuan sauce and tomato ketchup that we have earlier prepared. Now, on top of it, I will put our mushrooms and onions filling that we have just prepared. The best thing about sandwiches is that they are very versatile. You can use your creativity and you will never go wrong about it. Whenever I buy mushrooms, I always prepare them. My family loves it, and believe me, it tastes heavenly. Now, on top of it, I will be putting cheese slices. These are Britannia cheese slices. We all love cheese, but most often we tend to avoid because we think that it might cost you few more inches. But anyways, we don't eat them on daily basis. Do you know that eating cheese is the most satisfying thing in the world for a food lover like me? Now I will grate a generous amount of Amul cheese cubes to it. Now it's ready and I am going to gently press it. Now I will apply melted Amul butter on one side of the bread. To roast them, what I am using here is a sandwich maker. But you can also use grill pan or normal tawa, whatever you prefer. I personally use grilled sandwich maker to avoid the mess that sometimes happen while flipping the sandwiches. I hope you can relate to me. Now I will apply Amul butter on the other side of the bread. And now I will let them roast. I think they might be ready. Let me check. I think these are done. Look at this, they are done. They are roasted nicely. It's such a beautiful brown color. And that's it, guys. Your super delicious sandwiches are ready. They are super delicious. Let me cut them for you and I will show you. Don't you think it looks delicious? It's so satisfying and filling. Friends, these are your perfect companion for rainy days or breakfast, tea time, or you can also pack them in your lunch boxes. Today I will be enjoying them with my family along with tea. And now you guys are also my extended family. If you like the recipe, do hit the like button and please share the video with your loved ones. And also press the subscribe button as this motivates me to make more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching.